We are pleased to show you the 2017 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bose sound system, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, chrome mirror caps, power steering. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.